Good morning guys, so it's Sunday and I promised the Lord na pag nakarating ako dito ulit ng Japan, I will serve Him. This is the second Sunday. So kahit pagod, I'm trying to fulfill my promise to Him. So samahan niyo ako as I attend and join the music ministry in Franciscan Chapel sa Roppongi. Naglalakad na tayo to train station kasi magte-train ako from Cebu, Shinjuku. Guys, lahat ng yan puro mga sakura yan. Hintayin natin mag-bloom ang sakura. Maganda to dito banda. Bali, dalawang train tayo. Yung unang train na sasakyan ko, ano yun, libre lang yun kasi may commuter pass kami. Provided ng company namin to and from work. Ang i-recharge lang natin ay yung isang card ko, a small card, para makasakay ng train from Shinjuku to Roppongi. Kudasai. Cardを動かさないでください。チャージが完了しました。It's insane, guys. Grabe ang Tokyo. Grabe ang... So, I was really worried earlier. Kasi parang hindi ako nasa tamang ano. Pero hindi ka talaga magkakamali kapag meron kang internet. Ito, napapunta na akong Roppongi Station para maglakad from Roppongi to Franciscan Chapel Center. From my apartment, naglakad ako to Hanakogane Station. Hanakogane Station, sumakay papuntang Cebu, Shinjuku. And then naglakad papuntang Shinjuku Line. And then sumakay ng Shinjuku to Tochomae. And then Tochomae to Roppongi ngayon. It's insane! Lord, thank you for guiding me. Excited na ako i-serve ka today. I hope hindi ako late sa practice. Grabe guys, ang daming exit. Hindi ko akalain ganito kahirap pumunta ng Roppongi. Ayun. So ito pa ako. Buti na compression stacking ako. Ito. Meron akong Google Map para matuntun ko yung church. I'm here, Minato City. Okay, so let's go to the church. Isa na natin. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ko bago makapunta dito. Okay, 1 minute na lang. Yan, nasa church na ako. Nahihiya ako kasi I only emailed them to join the music ministry. I hope overcome ko yung hiya ko and they will accept me. Okay, it's here. Dito na ako sa Franciscan Chapel Center. Ayan na. Ohayou gozaimasu. Next month 11. Hi. Pochi-san wa So the Wi-Fi is not here, so I have to move. Okay, but I know. Yes, opo. Hindi po masyado. Pero pinakinggan ko pa. So we will practice, guys. Okay, so we will practice for the choir.
We sing hymn number 70. The King shall come. Hymn number 70.
He shall come when morning dawns, and light triumphant breaks. When beauty gives the eastern hills, and life to joy awake. And let the Lord some place of death, despite the rage of foes. Oh, brighter than the glorious morn of kings. So guys, we're done with the mass. So nakapag-serve ako today. I'm traveling again from Roppongi to Shinjuku Station. Kasi din kami makikita ng friend ko. And then, from Shinjuku, punta ko lang sa Ibu Shinjuku. Pauwi ng Hanakogane. I need to be at home at 4 PM kasi may darating yung bank namin. Okay. Bye.